Woohoo! I made it to the top. And now I think that it does descend on the other side. So I'm just gonna keep hiking. But yeah, the view is pretty. See that? And the elevation is 762. So, yep. Passed quite a few people coming down. So, like every 5 minutes, somebody's passing me. Yeah, pretty awesome. I always feel super happy when I'm out hiking out in nature. It's so relaxing. It gives me a sense of peace of mind just being out and doing something like this. Yeah, I've always wanted to go out and adventure and hike and yeah, take pictures. So here we are. We're doing it. All right. Toodles.